Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I am Miss Natasha and today we are going to make a wreath of thanks. Okay, in your kit you will find twine, popsicle stick, ribbon, glue, leaves, red, orange, and yellow. What's not in your kit but you will still need are scissors, a couple of markers, and tape. Okay, so the first step will be cutting out your leaves. So go ahead and grab your scissors and cut out all of your leaves. Okay, after you're done cutting out your leaves, you want to flip them over because you want the nice side without any of the black lines. So go ahead and flip them over, and then your wreath is going to be created by layering these leaves. So go ahead and pick your favorite leaf. This one's mine. It's going to be the center of my wreath. So it'll be centered, and then I am going to put a different color underneath, different color underneath. And you're going to keep doing that in the form of a wreath or circle. Just like that. That way you know how you want to glue them down. And I'll show you a wreath that's already done. That way you have a better idea. So this one's already finished. See how different colors. I picked my favorite one in the center. So that's what we're going to go ahead and make. So now we want to glue them together. So go ahead and grab your glue and grab your popsicle stick. And you're going to dab the stick in the glue. And you're going to go ahead and glue down the leaves. And you'll press it and you'll hold it to 10. Actually, it's better to count 20 seconds or 30. And we're going to continue this all the way around. So go ahead and glue your leaves down, and remember, I would say count to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 seconds is perfect. So go ahead and continue that all the way around and glue your leaves down. Okay, so this is what mine looks like after you're done gluing all of your leaves down. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to put away your glue, you're going to close it up. That way you can use that glue for a different craft, because you don't want it to dry up, and you also don't want to waste it. Okay, and the next step is writing what you're thankful for. So I put, I'm thankful for my neighbors, my dog, my home, my friends, my brother, art, my library, my mom, kindness from other people, my dad. So think about your family, think about your friends, think about things you love like art and music or games, maybe the outdoors, maybe camping. Think of your hobbies. Think of your pets, and think of things that maybe you don't want to take for granted. Maybe you shouldn't, like your home and food, maybe your favorite foods. So take a moment and really think about all the things you are grateful for in your life. And you're going to go ahead and write each of those down on each of these leaves. And the center leaf will say, I'm thankful for and then you'll put your dog, cat, family, whatever you'd like on the other leaves. So remember, I'm thankful for, or you can do I'm grateful for. So I'm going to go ahead and write on my leaves, and you can go ahead and do that as well. Once you're done writing down everything on your leaves, you're going to go ahead and take your ribbon, and you are going to create a bow. You want to make a little bow that's going to go on your wreath of thanks. Just like you tie your shoes every day, that's how you're going to go ahead and make the bow from your ribbon. So go ahead and do that. And once you have, you're going to glue it down. Again, go ahead and grab the glue and popsicle sticks. And you want to glue down your bow. And again, 20 seconds. This one might need 30 seconds. So go ahead and count and glue that down. After you're done gluing your bow down, go ahead and close the glue with the cap so it doesn't dry out. And then you're going to take your twine and you're going to tape it to the back of your wreath. So go ahead and flip it over and go ahead and grab your tape. Grab 2 small pieces. You want to tape one end of the twine to one side. And you want to tape the other end of the twine to the other side of your wreath. And now you can hang your wreath with everything that you're grateful or thankful for. How nice! Well, I hope you enjoyed this More to Explore. And thank you for joining me today. Did you know giving thanks makes you happier? Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotions, relish good experiences, improve their health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships.